This is Poonam from Cyberscam Review, and today I'll be sharing you about Global Refund Group Review, the other anonymous agency. If you look the way the internet works, it is easy to figure out that more than genuine companies, there are a lot of fly-by scams that are causing havoc to a lot of people. Clearly, professionals have to step in to control the situation, or else even government authorities won't be able to do anything about it. Global Refund Group is a recovery agency that aims to assist victims of online scams such as phishing attacks, brokerage scams, etc. Their platform looks clean and they do have a very simplistic approach towards the public. However, our main issue with this entity is that they adopt vague policies and they definitely aren't completely transparent. They claim to have expertise in the consumer finance sector, but we cannot find much information about them. In other words, the top management side is not known to the public and there is no solid proof to back up a few of their claims. Moreover, feedback about them is hard to find and it is really surprising that they have not got any traction on social media platform as well. To be aware of the nature of this company, the kind of scams they are familiar with and much more, stick with me till the end. Global Refund Group is a recovery agent that has supposedly helped a lot of online victims. They claim to have recovered more than $2 million since their inception. As far as success rate goes, the figure is said to be over 95%, which is beyond unrealistic. According to the data on the website, they have good customer satisfaction score. But they have not featured any way to verify the scores or get a grasp about the real consensus. We are not suggesting that they are bluffing about everything, but if they had provided solid evidence, then it would have enhanced their profile. To the creators of this agency are unknown, and due to the lack of actionable data about them, we do not have a clue about their employees. Featuring a huge unrealistic success rate is a bad thing, and because of that obvious flaw alone, we suggest everyone to be careful while dealing with them. Recovery agencies do witness a double-digit success rate, but on the whole, it cannot go much above 50%. If anyone disagrees with the statement mentioned above, then most probably the sample size might be too small or they might have hidden agendas. In case you are wondering, not they do provide free consultation, but retainer fee will be charged later. Unfortunately, they have not mentioned the kind of fee structure they follow and the policies for the most part are unknown. Recovery agencies should be careful while putting together a team. Ideally, a team should host lawyers, attorneys, people familiar with consumer finance, financial analysts, private investigators, and blockchain experts. The dream team is easy to visualize. However, to put that many people together and make them work in harmony is something that is indeed rare. Candidates should preferably have practical experience along with other preliminary qualifications. Global Refund Group, like every other firm in the sector, claims to have a good team. Sadly, they have not shared any details about the people present in the top half of their command chain. Even their domain is registered privately, which means to track down the real founders. It is going to be a daunting task. Usually, the firms that are reputable and trying to their best to help the public try to reveal as much information as they can do about themselves. Being transparent always enhances public sentiment, and every business needs to connect with people at a deeper level in order to thrive. After we saw the way this firm hides important information about the team, it is hard for us to place our trust in them. Anyone that wants to get in touch with this firm can do so via email, telephone, and contact form. Address of their office is revealed and all of their contact numbers are listed in the footer of the official website. They are said to have clients from over 60 countries. The contact form asks for the basic details and your preferred way of getting in touch with them. As they do not have a FAQ section, we do not know how long they have to respond to the complaints. Note that this firm does not cater to UK citizens. Quality of the support team is difficult to gauge, and due to lack of data, we are forced to give them the benefit of the doubt at this point in time. We strongly suggest people to ask about every little detail before proceeding with them. Keep in mind that legitimate companies focus on bringing value and they never have hidden issues. On the other hand, fraudulent ones love to hide behind vague policies that favors them for the most part. We have listed some contact details. To check it, you can visit our official website. Every company will have its share of flaws, but the ones we found with Global Refund Group are beyond scary. Take a look at the following bullet points and think for a moment, does it make any sense to proceed with them even after knowing the real nature of the platform? When we mention lack of transparency, we are not talking only about the team. It encompasses the entire operational model. From the way they handle legal procedures to the amount of fee they charge, everything is a big question mark. The big name in the sector such as MyChargeback and CNC Intelligence do their best to educate the people about the procedures beforehand. More importantly, they will inform the clients about the cost way ahead in time and will never sell up on anything. On the other end of this spectrum, new firms like this one will hide their abilities but will never spill any information about the important aspects. So be careful when making any decision and be aware of the entirety of the situation. If the recovery agency's loan solves your case within the safe time period and helps you get back the amount, then it might seem like the perfect one from your perspective. However, things are not straightforward and easy all the time. Recovery agencies have to deal with a lot of legal obstacles, conduct investigation, trace, and still sometimes might not be able to help you recover the funds. Moreover, skilled criminals to get away with the crime, and at the end of the day, not every culprit can be caught. But we want to inform you about the real side of this sector. Just because scammers aren't caught, agencies cannot work for free, and that is why they charge retainer fees. Plus, a success fee is also present, but that is applicable only if the big chunk of the lost or stolen funds are recovered. This platform is particularly boldly says that retainer fees are applicable, but it fails to mention the exact amount they charge. This kind of ambiguity in the contract puts a lot of stress on the clients and at the same time leans in the favor of the company. In other words, they have the upper hand when it comes to dictating the fees, and that is not a good thing. 948 successful chargebacks and over $2 million recovered is the statement made by this firm on their homepage. Undeniably, the members they show are great and it instills confidence. However, the accomplishments are hard to verify, and the fact that they have no social proof makes the whole situation worse. If this firm really had around 1,000 clients, then why isn't anyone talking about them on social media forums or third-party websites? We searched for hours and hours on the web to find any possible clues about their client base. Sadly, everything is airtight. And to pick up any leads, it is next to impossible. Exaggerated claims along with lack of proof is the perfect combination every fraudulent firm adores, and if you witness both of these traits together, then it is best to run away in the opposite direction. The fee charged by agencies depends upon a lot of variables such as complexity of the case, geographical barriers, etc. Most firms cannot possibly give an estimate until they have done through investigation. They will charge on outright fee, and it will usually range anywhere between $500 to $1,000. Success fee also changes from one company to other. Global Refund Group never talks about the fees. In fact, they have no section dedicated to informing the clients about the cost involved. We do not know whether they inform people after they have gone through the consultation, but that is a very ingenious area. At the level of uncertainty with them is higher than any other firm. We strongly suggest everyone to be careful. Also, never accept any terms and conditions on their platform without reading all the details. Reading the legal documents might be boring, but it is always going to be worth it. In case you do not understand anything, then consult lawyers without fail. Just like any standard firm in the recovery space, this firm is set to help victims of every type of major online scams. If you're looking for the entire set of things they handle, then refer to the list on our official website. On their website, this platform covers the trading scams quite extensively. They have a blog wherein the shady brokers are exposed. Sadly, the content is not updated regularly, and till date it only has 2 posts. Trading scams on the rise, especially in this pandemic, as more and more people are looking at other ways of making money from home. The market does reward the skilled traders and investors. However, be careful if anyone is typing to sell you miraculous system. Also, never associate yourself with unregulated firms or exchanges in any way. Nowadays, Bitcoin doublers are gaining traction and the data shows that people are falling for the trap easily. If we ever encounter any website or investment program that promises to give you 100% return within a day or a week, then report them to the authorities immediately. Sometimes the scammers might use really convincing narratives, but if you do not see proper licenses and solid proof, then never dare to deposit with them. Remember, there is no elevator to success, and that is a fact. Feedback section is important for every firm. Online marketing plays an important role for any business as the world is going more digital in the coming days. However, the basic principle of marketing never change. For example, whenever a firm truly helps people with their products or services, the public rewards them with positive testimonials and that acts like free advertising. People talking about an agency or firm, social media platform, etc. are all good for the connected company because word of mouth marketing is the strongest one out there. We could not find any information about the Global Refund Group user base and as a result we couldn't spot any reviews. In other words, they do not have any data that can be called social proof and that is fact that affects their reputation largely. On their website, they claim to have over 90% customer satisfaction score, but given the available facts about them, we have no clue about how they landed on that number. Is Global Refund Group a scam? This question is a very tricky one and the answer is pretty obvious at this point. Global Refund Group does appear to be a very shady company. Just look at the way they operate and the social concerns. The fact that they are hiding something is evident. As there is more room for manipulation from this side, it is ideal to stay away from them. Alternatively, you can wait for a bit longer and see whether more data about them pops up. If we prove their legitimacy, then it is going to be worth it to proceed or else ignoring them is the best thing to do. Chargebacks and wire recalls might sound simple in the theory. However, it has a lot of factors that need to be present in the court admissible manner. From handling the legal barriers to tracing the funds is a daunting task and not every company will be good at it. If you are looking for free advice about the ways of recovering money from fraudulent online vendors, scam brokers or any other kind of online scam, then use the contact form to get in touch with our team. Our staff will help you understand the recovery process and show you the best way applicable for the specific case. We work 24/7 to put an end to online scams and all our services are offered to the public for free. To help people navigate the online world with confidence, we even offer free case assessment. So if you are having doubts about any firm or entity, then use our full range of services to know the reality of the situation. Global Refund Group is an anonymous recovery agency. They have no intention of being transparent with the public and everything about them is mysterious to say the least. The ratings showcased on the platform appear to be bogus and needless to say. They have zero social proof. Being a victim of online scam is devastating and people might be affected both mentally and financially. However, dealing with a fake recovery agency after being looted by an online scam is one of the worst things ever. So make sure that you deal only with the ones that have a long track record and transparent ratings. If you are in doubt, then take time to reevaluate and never take action under pressure. Lastly, know your rights and if needed, never shy away from reaching out to professionals. The cost might be a bit more to get experts involved, but in the end, it is always going to be worth it. Be cautious while dealing with Global Refund Group. Remember, their operational model is not as transparent as it should have been, and that's a big old red flag. Thanks.